Lockdown cooking need not necessarily be troublesome or tiresome. You need to think smart, bring a little bit of old school magic, something that you enjoyed in your childhood. One dish for me is salted mackerels that we enjoyed years back, just cooked over the crystal salts, and it creates a decadent meal. Salty but perfect to enjoy with some mango jalapeno salsa and just simple toast. Now while Sia is on a roll with munchkin, I'm just going to marinate my mackerels out here with about 10 mils of extra virgin olive oil. Just allow them to coat so that it is easy to cook on salt crystals. This is the best way, no adding any seasoning because the salt works its magic. While we allow the mackerels to nestle with that extra virgin olive oil, just getting more concentrated and flavorful, it's time to take some toast and create a perfect blend on top. So I've made garlic butter really very simple. 50 grams of butter melted, salted, and then just add some finely minced garlic to it. Cool it down, mix it well, and it's ready to go on toast. So now what I've done for my toast is I've cut them into circles because you need a little bit of gourmet style in your life. So put that in and just spread some garlic butter on top. I've taken 12 slices of bread, cut them into circles, and the remaining of that is going to create some great breadcrumbs that I can use all through this lockdown. So I've used multigrain toast out here. Use any toast that takes your fancy. This goes into a preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius for just about 15 minutes till it's nice and crusty. You can top it with some chia seeds, some pumpkin seeds, just to style it to the next level. All I've done is I've taken 500 grams of salt crystals, preferably sea salt, and just lined it in my cast iron, forming a crust on the bottom. And finally, on top of those go these gorgeous mackerels so that they cook for 4 minutes on each side. It's such a simple creation that it doesn't require any fanfare or drama. While we allow the mackerels to cook on that perfect sea salt crust on the slowest possible simmer for 4 to 5 minutes on each side, in the meantime, let's get to creating a very simple yet stylish mango salsa. So I've got 5 Alfonso mangoes that I've cut into cubes, and I love this salsa because it's a very chunky variant of the same. This needs a fine sprinkle of some sugar on top, and then just add everything and mix. So I've got 2 spring onions that I've cut into roundels out here. Into that goes 8 slices of jalapenos, finely minced. I'm using the pickle kind, very simple, along with nearly 4 tablespoons of some cilantro, and this just bursts with flavor throughout. A splash of 1 lemon going in, and finally a drizzle of some extra virgin olive oil, so nearly 20 mils of that. A good tossing and your mango jalapeno salsa is ready. What a beautiful burst of color. Chill this till it's ready to go atop the toast along with the salted mackerels. The mission out here is to use as much mango as possible so that everybody is content all year round. 8 minutes and my toast is ready with a perfect golden brown rim. Just eyeball your toast when you're creating it in the oven, or the next option is just put it right on a pan. The best part about this is you have peculiar flavors of salt along with the mackerels wafting through your entire kitchen. I've kept it for another 6 minutes just so that it cooks perfectly well, and we are going to turn it on the other side. Little gentle love is required out here because you want this to not break when you're turning it. And you don't want to crack that crust right below. When you see the salt crystals staining, that's the best time to know that your fish is ready and you need to switch off the flame. Don't be alarmed when you see that gorgeous stain, because that's the best way to know that things are on the right track. Allow this to rest on it, and all you need to do is plate it up now, but with a very, very new age DIY concept. All you need to do is just put everything on your table and get ready to plate up an elegant fare, very, very DIY in nature. All the toast needs is a large topping of this chunky mango salsa nestled beautifully on the side. Garnish it with some sprigs of coriander, and you have a simple yet stylishly elegant meal to enjoy. A bit of nostalgia, but more importantly, coming together perfectly well with very, very new age concepts. I hope you enjoyed creating this simple yet stylish meal with me. Perfect for a lockdown go, and more importantly, something to talk about the days gone by. Don't forget to share loads of love by hitting on the like button. Stay safe, stay blessed, and more importantly, don't forget to subscribe.